Hey guys, it's Audrey and Bella, and welcome back to our channel.
So tonight we are back at the Blue Mist Trail because we want to see if we can get some answers of what happened to us last time.
It is also a full moon tonight, which is when ghosts are said to come out the most on this trail. So let's get started.
Right now we are walking down the path to see if we hear anything in the woods like we did last time. And then we're going to pick a spot to investigate. What'd you say?
So get an action shot of me walking.
Okay, so right now Max went off on his own down the trail. We are a little bit down the trail, but he went a little bit further, and now we are just staying here with our REM pod, and we got a new little teddy bear. He is an EMF detector. Just works the exact same as like our normal EMF detector, but it's just a teddy bear. Anytime that it lights up red, that is detecting the EMF energy.
If there's anyone along this path or in the woods, maybe a spirit or a ghost or someone who has passed over, we're here talking to you respectfully and peacefully. We mean no harm, and we hope that you mean the same for us. We have these two devices in front of us. One has a red glowing light and one has a green glowing light. It's a teddy bear, so if you like that, you can come over to it. Now we have another device that has a green glowing light. If you want to walk over to that, it'll spike. It'll go to yellow or red, and we'll know that you're here. So if you could go over to any of these devices in front of us.
So now we are heading back up to the car because we weren't really getting anything on the path at all. And the activity that we got the last time was at the beginning of the path, so that is where we are heading now.
We also heard a screech like we did the last video, but it was more like a scream this time, so did not like that.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we heard screaming up in the woods, so me and Bella, well, more of me, I decided to climb up here. Then I'd help Bella get up here. We're gonna walk up through the woods and see if we can find what was screaming earlier. Break a branch. You can do anything. What is that?
Where? A whitish,
It's
reddish thing?
Red. What the hell is that? Nah, bro, what is that?
I don't know. What is it? I literally can't tell what it is from here.
No. I don't know what that is, dude.
This is really creepy.
I had no idea what this was.
Look, it's like chopped off. You can't even, I didn't even realize that just now,
It's
but
missing an arm, yeah.
it's missing like an arm. Meanwhile, there's like multiple arms. It's like an elephant person statue, and it's missing that there. It's missing part of that, like arms, I guess.
Did you hear that?
Yes. There's
Crunching.
crunching over there.
We'll add a little addition into the clip describing what this is after we research it. So. I don't know how much farther up we should go.
Yeah, I don't know. It's really sketchy.
Dude, just look at, come back here and pan the camera on this thing, dude. Look at that. It's just chilling there, dude. Right now, the REM pod down there is going off as we just started talking about this elephant guy. So, I don't know if we should continue going further or if we should go down there and see what's going on. I think we should maybe stick up here. You hear that?
What was it?
Shh. I don't know. So let's just check this out real quick and then we'll go back to this. We're in the middle of the woods. You can come and touch us or make this thing in front of us go off, or you can just show yourself.
So if there's anyone here with us right now, you can let this green light in front of us. If you walk near it, it'll go off to the yellow or red. If you just kind of stand near it, wave your hand. If you want to give us a different sign that you're here with us, you could throw a rock, snap a twig, shuffle around, give us any sort of physical sign to show us that you're here. Make a noise. That is really creepy. I mean, look at that
Yeah,
from here.
That's where I saw it from, dude. Look at it from that angle. Imagine just walking and you see that. Like, it looks like a little baby. Look at it. And I was like, what is that? And then I saw it had arms and I was like, no, man, no.
Couple goals.
Darling!
Guys, me and Hannah, we are not going up in those woods. So we're gonna set the REM pod up. Okay, if there's anything, can you come over to any of these devices, the green glowing teddy bear or the red glowing light, please? If you don't want to, can you throw a rock or make a noise so we know that you don't want to talk to us? Okay.
Is that a REM pod?
Okay, so I see you're making our device go off. We also have a teddy bear here, if you could go over to that too.
If you're still here, could you make that red glowing light go back
You know
off?
what's weird? It's detecting a face right in between those two telephone poles. Shut up.
What?
Did you not hear something behind us?
No?
Okay.
So right now we're gonna do the Estes method,
Different.
and Max is doing it. We already told him to start, so that's our fault.
He
but-
didn't.
Okay, we're gonna start asking questions now. We also have the REM pod here. Hannah has the EMF bear, and I have the EMF detector. I'm gonna angle like this so you can see.
And I have my keys in case we have to skedaddle.
Yep. Is there anyone here with us right now? Thank you.
Powerful. Sounded like it said powerful presence.
Oh my god. There's a powerful presence here with us right now. I can't believe it. If there's any spirits with us right now, you can talk through the spirit box that Max is holding. He'll blurt out
Answers.
Answers. He'll blurt out answers.
He will blurt out answers, yes.
Road.
Yep, we're on a road.
Holy shit.
Is that you?
I don't know. I didn't move.
I didn't move either. I didn't move. Did it just maybe creak from all the weight on it?
People.
Is there a lot of people on this thing that it made it creep?
Can you see us? Is that what you said? Road and people? Can you see us right now? Is there any way you could give us a sign that you can see us through any of our devices, or you could make a noise? Last time we were here, we heard screams up in the woods. So if that was you, you can make some noise up in the woods or around us.
Taken over.
Have you taken over whatever spirit was here last time? Are you a new spirit? Did that light just flicker?
Yeah.
Our REM
Feels
pod
like it
light-
got a lot colder.
Our REM pod light's flickering, and I'm not moving.
Yeah, it did get a lot colder. Is that
Compression.
Is that you that's making... There's a freaking, like, cold breeze.
I feel it. See, when I move like this, it doesn't detect everyone. And I wasn't even moving when it went off anyway.
Do you recognize one of us?
You.
You recognize me?
That's probably
After.
Did you follow us from another place that we've been to, or are you from this road?
Out there somewhere.
Are you out there in the woods somewhere?
Do it alone.
Do you want one of us to talk to you alone?
Doctors.
Could you tell us if you see us at all?
Crashing. Every step.
You've seen our every step tonight? Have you been watching us?
Prayer's not going on.
Get him out of here.
Do you not want one of us here?
Mike.
Guys, it said get him out of here, and it said Mike, and Max's real name is Michael. Do you not want Max here? Or you called him Mike. Do you not want him here? Can you give us a sign that you don't want him here?
Spending.
Are we spending too much time here? Do you want us to move somewhere else?
Help me out now.
There was like something moved down there.
No.
Loud?
No.
Yeah, as soon as he said help me out now, like rocks or something
No.
like got thrown down there.
No.
Night.
Was that you that made that noise down there? Are you over in the woods to our left where I'm pointing? Whoa. Was that a noise over there? I thought it was over there.
It changed.
Friends.
I heard a noise.
Do you want to be friends with us? Or your friends that just flicker? It's flickering.
Right.
Right? Do you have other friends here? Other spirits? Do you have spirits surrounding us on our right and our left? Could one of your friends make another noise for us? Maybe something a little bit louder and clearer?
You. Hurry.
Why do you want us to hurry? Do you want us to leave or move?
Team,
We are the Audrey and Bella YouTube team.
you're off to a fine start.
Thank you. Yeah, our channel's doing pretty good, you know.
Are they a fan?
Are you a fan?
If you're a fan, come up to this red light.
It did!
Shut
it
up.
did!
Wait,
It's
was that
flickering
me?
blue. No, it's flickering blue. It did before you started moving and it did it after you were done moving. Could you come up to this light again, please, for us?
I feel a cold breeze.
It's flickering blue.
We want to thank you for coming over to this light. If you touch the antenna, it'll make a sound. If you could possibly do that.
Yeah, it keeps flickering blue.
Blue.
Blue! Blue!
Yeah, you're making the blue light go off.
Before.
Were you the one that was making it go off before too?
If you get a little bit closer to it, there's a bigger blue light that'll
Fun?
come on.
Is it fun? If you get closer to it, then a bunch of more lights will go
We
off.
are.
If you are
So
trying to get
cold right
closer to it.
I know, it is chilly.
Boy.
Yeah, we have a boy here. Can you see him? Is that your way of telling us that you see him?
Stop talking.
Okay. It's not the first time I heard that one.
Especially from him.
Hear somebody else talk.
And commenting.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
They don't want me to stop talk at all.
You're making the blue light go off again. If you could get closer, you'll hear the sound go off.
Do you want me to demonstrate it for you?
I really don't like.
You don't like the REM pod?
Or do you not like us?
Should we ask a couple more and then let
Keep
Hannah
them
do it?
coming.
Keep the questions
I just
coming.
said, should we ask some more questions and then let Hannah do it? And it said, keep them coming. Do you want us to keep talking to, or do you want to keep talking to Max, or do you want to switch over to Hannah?
It's blinking. Is there any way that you can make any of the other colors on the REM pod? No one moved. No one's moving.
More.
Yeah, you are giving us more, thank you.
Making
If you
more
get-
sounds.
If you get a little bit closer to it, you can make more of the light. There is clear little bulbs around the edges. It'll light them up.
Want me to stay?
Yes, please. We enjoy talking to you. Oh, I see that you're staying with us.
Sketch.
It's no longer blinking, or it is blinking now, but it wasn't.
Take us.
We don't.
Ooh, there's laughing.
Oh, we don't want to take you home with us. You're not allowed to follow us home after we're done. here.
Everybody.
Are there multiple spirits here laughing at us?
You and me?
I see you're still standing next to the REM pod, letting the blue light go off.
I look. Her.
Are you
For
looking?
life.
Are you looking at one of us?
Or for life, maybe the bride and the groom.
That's it.
Do you have anything else that you want to say to us or any of your friends?
Enough.
Okay. Duckies. Let's just go around.
Oh my god, they're
Oh my
coming
god,
at
they're
us.
fucking coming.
No way, they were literally like conspiring.
As soon as the light turned away. Jump into my hand. Jump into my hand. I want him to jump on me. Be my friend. Come here. Can I pick you up? Good boy. Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. All right, you're coming with us. No, Ronnie.
Ronnie, get back
No,
here.
he's leading us to the spirits.
Yeah, lead
Okay,
us, Ronnie.
Ronnie's leading us right now.
Okay guys, so we moved over to the cemetery that we went to the last video where there's the satanic cult circle. This is where the REM pod went off roughly in this area the last time. So now we're here doing the Estes method with Hannah and the REM pod right here. If there are any spirits here with us, you can talk to Hannah through the spirit box, which is the device that she's holding in her hand. You can blurt out any words for her to hear, or you could make our REM pod go off, which is this red glowing light right here. If it goes off, it'll
Nobody?
Are you saying that nobody's here? Because if you said that, then someone's here.
We were here the last time.
While you're there,
We were here look at all our combat boots.
leave.
Well, we're gonna leave in about 10 minutes, but we just want to talk to you a little bit first to see if there's anyone over here. The last time we were here, you made this device go off. If you could walk up to it or any spirit.
I just heard like the opera stuff that like Max was talking about. Closer.
Are you coming closer to us?
Openly.
There's this antenna here that I'm pointing at. If you go up to it, lights will go off and there will be a sound that comes from this device so we know that you're here. Can you see us right now?
Gone.
Did you leave? Can you come back? Did you maybe follow us from the Blue Mist Road?
I see him.
You see Max holding the camera? Can you tell us who you see?
Is there anything that you'd like to say to us? Or if you could show us a sign that you're near us at all? Or maybe you could tell us if you see us at all?
Can you come over here please and talk to us just for a little bit? I promise that we'll leave after. We don't mean any harm, or we don't want to disrupt you in any way. Don't leave?
Alone.
Do you want one of us to talk to you alone? If you want one of us to talk to you alone, you can tell Hannah through the spirit box, or you can come over to this red glowing light. There's an antenna. If you touch it, then you'll know. Do you love one of us?
I feel like I keep hearing things behind us, but I might just be hearing stuff.
Are you behind us right now?
Back.
Are you in our backs? Or I mean, behind our backs?
Are you in our bed?
Are you behind us right now? Can you confirm that for us?
Recognize. More.
Do you recognize one of us? Or maybe all of us from the last time we were here?
Joy. Gone.
That's like the third time it said gone. Do you want us gone?
I'm hearing
Back.
something back there.
Back!
Yeah, I'm hearing something back there. I keep looking at there because I keep hearing something. It sounds like it's
If
going
you
on
have-
in the woods.
Are you in the woods over there? Is that who Bella's hearing? Can you tell us where you are at right now? If there's anything you have to say to us or let us know, this is your time.
More.
If you have any messages for anybody,
Outside.
Yeah, we're
Lord.
outside. Lord, are you religious?
You.
Why did she just laugh? That was weird. Why'd she just laugh? And she didn't even say anything. Are you making Hannah laugh? Why'd she be grinning? I'm scared. I'm so scared. She's like grinning. Do you see that? Can you give us any clue or a name?
How?
Well, if you come over to us, Hannah, with the headphones on, she has a device that if you say something, she'll be able to hear you.
This guy.
Yep, we have a guy here. Can you see Max at all? Or can you come up to this red glowing light? If you come up to it, lights will flicker and it'll make noise. The last
Who?
time... Who? You. The last cemetery we were at, our REM pod went off a lot. So you can also have it go off if you want to show us that you're here.
Something.
No way. It's going off blue. Can you see?
Okay, thank you for letting us know that you're here. Now, if you have any message that you want to say, you can tell Hannah. She'll be able to hear you.
We.
Is there more than one spirit here?
Alone.
You're alone?
Yep.
Okay. Well, we're here to talk to you for a little bit. If you have anything that you want to say, you can let us know. Or if you go up to that red light again, we'll know for sure that you're here. Is there anything that you want to say to us or tell us? Or
Paul.
is your name Paul? Are you buried here, Paul?
Is there,
Loving you.
is there any way that you can come back up to the REM pod and have it flicker blue again? Or have it make the noise again like you just did? To show us that you're still near us?
No.
Do you not have enough energy, maybe?
No.
Okay.
Well, thank you for using the energy that you had.
Yeah, we really appreciate that.
Is there anything else that you want to say to us or you want us to ask you about tonight before we leave?
Tell me.
Tell you what? What do you want to know?
At all.
Do you want us to come find your headstone? Or if this is Paul that we're talking to, can you confirm for us, please?
You. Hero.
Okay, well, if there's anything that you have to say to us, you can. We're going to leave soon, or you can go back up to this red light and we'll know that you are here and we might be able
It
to...
sounded like it said drive safe.
Thank you.
Aw,
we
thank
will.
you. Yep, there it is. It's flickering. You can see it.
Yeah, if you stay near that red light.
Hello.
Hi. Is this a new person that we're talking to? Okay.
Blue.
Yeah, the light's blue. It's going off. Thank you for making our device go off.
Fear.
Are you afraid of us, maybe? We're not here to disrupt you or scare you.
Should we fear you?
Because that means God's ways are something. I don't know what it said, but
Maybe
it was
it
like really
doesn't-
clear.
Maybe it doesn't want to talk to us because it's like against against God, maybe. Well, we believe in God. If you do too, then you can talk to us. I promise you we're not here for
I might not.
You might not believe in God?
If you
Listen.
That's so cool. Is there any way that you can get any closer to the silver antenna on the REM pod to light up any of the
Come on.
to light up any of the clear bulbs on it? It'll light up other colors, yellow, purple. Yep. If you could just get a little bit closer to the antenna, it'll start lighting up the other colors. It'll make other noises.
Is this somebody new that we're talking to, or is it still Paul?
Many sons and daughters.
You have many sons and daughters?
Is there any message that you want us to give them? They might see our video. Paul?
Are you lonely here? If you're lonely here, can you come back up to the REM pod and make it sound off again? Or maybe get the blue light flickering. Well, now you have the blue light flickering. Can you have it sound off if maybe you're lonely here?
Number 1.
Sorry.
Let's go.
Maybe he has many sons and daughters and they don't visit him.
Ask if it enjoys our presence here.
Do you enjoy our presence here? If so, can you step away and stop making
Sunshine.
the noise?
Are you maybe, oh sorry Bella, go ahead. Are you maybe lonely because no one comes here and visits you? Maybe you have many sons and daughters. Okay.
Yes.
Angry.
Are
If
you,
God.
Are you angry with God? If so, you can keep the sound going, and if not, you can turn it off. Are you angry with God on how you passed, maybe?
Follow.
Well, you can't follow us home, unfortunately.
can you give us any message that you want to say to your sons or daughters or maybe your family who doesn't come and visit you? You can tell Hannah.
You are.
You are. Okay. Okay, can you finish the sentence that you wanted to say? You
The
are.
way.
You are the way.
Home.
Home. Why is that like sad? Like their family's his way home. Well, I'm sorry that you feel lonely here.
Good.
Sound off the REM pod again if you're near us. I see that you have the light blue
And
light
John.
on. But if you
John! John, please, John from Hotel Conneaut. Can we?
if this is John from Hotel Conneaut, can you turn the
We
sound
would
off?
love.
Can you turn the sound off if this is John from Hotel Conneaut?
A couple of girls.
That's us. Can you see
Team.
us?
Team.
Can you see us?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us what direction you're in so we can try to come find you?
Okay, let me confirm here. If this is John from the Hotel Conneaut,
We're home.
can you make that light go off, please? If this is John from Hotel Conneaut. Is this John?
Right here tonight.
If this is John, someone who's buried in this cemetery, can you sound off our REM pod, please?
Tomorrow.
Okay, so someone's at this cemetery.
Okay. Just to confirm, if we're talking to someone that's at the cemetery, can you now turn the REM pod sound off?
Well, if we're talking to John, somebody new, can you tell us anything?
All the people.
Can you tell us anything about yourself that you remember?
James.
James, now we have a new person.
Friends.
James was
your friend?
If James was your friend, can you sound the REM pod on?
Well, if there's any last message... Okay. Well, if there's any last messages that James, John, Paul have, you can tell Hannah. She'll be able to hear you through this device we have.
Over. Parents.
Over parents. Do you watch over your parents?
Concert.
If there's any last message that you have, you can let us know now. Okay, it's like...
Doesn't want you to go.
If you don't want us to go, can you sound the REM pod off?
The Bible. Three.
3 James.
3 of us.
Whatever. I forget. Paul.
Tell it you're gonna leave again. See if it sounds it off.
We're gonna leave here in a couple minutes. If you don't want us to leave, can you sound off the REM pod?
Well, we thank you to all of the spirits and the people that...
It's inspirational.
that talked to us tonight. Just a reminder that you can't follow us home or attach yourself to us, but we thank you for talking to us. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
And stay tuned for our next video.
Bye!